Hey guys, it's Kevin from Cruising with Wheels. We love when you interact with us via comments on YouTube or through Facebook, our Snapchat, and our Instagram account. But did you know that you could be featured on our YouTube channel? That's right, on Thursdays, every Thursday, we like to feature one of our Cruising with Wheels family. And we do that by our Super Cruiser segment. It comes at the end of the video, and you could be included. All you have to do is send us a picture of you along with your names and the ship you were sailing on your last cruise. And we will feature you in one of our Thursday videos. Also, from time to time, we do a subscriber Q&A where we answer your questions on video. So please send your questions to our email address or through Instagram direct messaging or Facebook direct messaging. Until then, I want to tell everybody to travel safe, cruise often, and send those pictures and questions because we love to see the pictures and we love to answer the questions. Bye-bye.